My daughters paint futures in dry erase marker. Wife cleaned by every budget vote. The clouds don't drift anymore. They queue up impatient at the state line. Even shadows are taxed in this light. We slip through the crawlspace of a world that didn't blink. An auto wormhole, more like a rent control trapdoor. And here we are, living in someone else's idea of the worst case scenario. The mail's full of echoes, bills printed on old campaign flyers. I cough up expired metaphors every time the heater kicks in. There's mold blooming in our ambitions, teeth marks on our calendars. I measured my weekend, overheard sirens and steps to the liquor shop.